In addition to being a longtime LGBTQ ally, a rock star senator, a tough prosecutor, and a damn good vice presidential candidate, Kamala Harris is one hell of a dancer. Earlier this week, she was seen showing off her skills under an umbrella in the rain during a campaign stop in Florida. Now, a compilation video of all the times Harris, who celebrated her 56th birthday yesterday, has been recorded busting moves on the campaign trail, clapping fans at gay bars, and participating in flash mobs. Now, let's compare that to Donald Trump's dancing abilities. We'd say there is a very clear winner here, and it's obviously Kamala. Let's keep the winning streak going through November 3rd.
Cause you know this Trump train don't stop. Tell Beto to dead that. And I'm coming through your hood in my red chin. I guess that's what you do when you can't beat him. Cause it seems like they all high like some scared cat. And they say they looking for me, I say where?